God is good, and all the time, and the devil is a liar. The CS for Education, Madam Chancellor, the Vice Chancellor, Professor Nathan Ogech, the University Council, members of Parliament present, members of the County Assembly present, the graduates, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I'm happy to join with you here today on the 12th graduation ceremony for Kisii University, as well as the installation of Professor Nathan Ogech as the Vice Chancellor of the university. On behalf of the County Government of Kisii and the people of Kisii, I'm pleased to congratulate the graduates for achievement marked by this ceremony. To Professor Ogech, I also congratulate you for your installation as the second Vice Chancellor of the Kisii University. Professor Ogech, my administration is recognizing your outstanding leadership in academia and as one of the distinguished Kenyan scholars with an established track record. I therefore welcome you to Kisii, even as we explore more partnership in the health working relations between Kisii University and the County Government of Kisii, such as the establishment of the medical school at H.E Arati, the Kenya-UK Health Alliance, the proposed affordable housing scheme, the partnership in research and training in the agriculture sector. I take this opportunity to promise that as a county government, we will endeavor to actualize the Kenya-UK Health Alliance project in collaboration with other project players. For this particular item, I remember when I came into the office, my first business, which I was tasked by Professor, your predecessor, Mr. Vice Chancellor, he did ask me to follow up with the President of the country. Indeed, I did so. Again, what happened is that the Professor, he has been pushing to the level that he asked me to join again with our leadership again in the county. That is Waziri Machogo, who has been an important pillar in the UK Health Alliance, the Kenya-UK Health Alliance. Waziri, I know you have traveled to the UK following up on the relationship that we wanted to establish. I want to thank my brother Kate for the effort, yourself and Dr. John Guto, who have been pushing strongly to see there is this partnership. We will also seek to uphold the good working relationship between my administration and the university. I want to point out that for the graduates, where one of my colleagues, Governor Washingishu, now Dr. Kotimoja, he is called Kotimoja, he is here. He is the Governor Washingishu. Congratulations, my brother. Looking forward for you also to sit in when I'll be doing mine, probably next year. The partnership between the university and the county government was strengthened further when I appointed 3 university staff into my executive. I want to report here. I picked 3 lecturers from the university to join my cabinet. Those are the 3 lecturers that I think were, and I'm going probably the new year, I'm going again to pick around 2 to make them 5 for us to be able to see the Kisii County again competes equally in the country. With those few remarks, I congratulate